Hey man, I ain't mad. First time breaking the Jeep, for real. We hit milestones, baby.
Second time breaking the Jeep.
We hit milestones.
Second time breaking the Jeep.
What's the first time? Oh, the accident.
The accident.
I fixed that though.
It was your fault though.
No one.
Yes, it.
I
We're not gonna have.
I was a little drunk.
We're not gonna
It's
have.
my fault that I crashed. Anyway. I hope this ain't cooling, bro. That's cool. Shit, your shit was fun or what? And I got all my heat. I got my heat on blast, windows open. Let's see if we can go ahead and cool this motor down. Let me see if this shit changing. Hey, oh shit, almost fell. Hey man, we cutting up in the Jeep, man. I gotta put this bitch up, boy. Let's see, my shit at 244. Yeah, my shit hot, boy. I got ahead of myself. 243. We going down. Is it still smoking? I got coolant. Look at that. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut it off. Let it cool down a little bit. This is that fan don't stay on. But hey, just for future references, bro, if you start overheating, oh shit. What's this on the floor?
What?
Oh, man. That's cool. Taste test.
Ew.
Gotta do a taste test. That's cool. Let's just get this bitch to the house. So yeah, what I really just did was move it to some new snow, see if I'm leaking anything. Not looking at it. But I'm gonna go ahead and let this thing just chill for a minute. I done overheated the scat, man. Hey, shit was litty though, man. That SRT thing. Let's get a check on these bitch right quick though. Look at that. Look at this motherfucker. I'm gonna have the most turned Jeep in the natty, bro. Mark my words, man. Overheating in the snow is crazy. Overheating in the snow is crazy. Donuts, man. That's why I don't have a Challenger, though, or a Charger. Because if I had one, I'd be doing this shit all day. I swear to God. And that's why I low-key kind of got the Jeep, because I know myself. And I know donuts are cool, man. You know? Donuts are fucking cool. So, it's like, you know what I'm saying? I can't help myself, bro. Once I started swinging this bitch, I'm gonna swing this bitch. Red line, fuck it. You know what I'm saying? But that's where I fucked up at, man. That's where I fucked up at, man. Cooling still boiling. This bitch hot. Hope I ain't blow my motor. Shit. That'd be bad for business for sure. So yeah, man. I'll give y'all an update. Bye-bye. That bitch do look good, though. So, something's leaking. Probably my power steering fluid. Not even probably. 100% gotta be my power steering. I'm overheating. And my power steering went off. So.
And we have no AC.
Oh, well, duh, ain't no AC. I'm missing cool. You feel me? I'm at 250. This bitch running hot.
Oh my gosh.
I wouldn't go ahead and just cut it off. Pop it in neutral. Let it roll, baby. Because I'm getting it home. I know that much. I'm getting it home, man. So I'm going to go ahead, pop the binding on it when I get to the crib. Probably take the front end off. See what I can do. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully a hose just popped off or something. To where, like right now, I'm just rolling, literally. Turn my motor off, I'm just rolling. But hopefully, it's just like a hose popped off or something. Because my timing belt got to be on there still. Hopefully, like my actual steering, my power steering pump didn't go out. Hopefully that didn't happen. Because then I'm going to be salty. But hopefully it's just like a hose that popped off or something. And I can go ahead and pop it back on, put some more fluid in there. Go ahead and throw my headlights on too, so I'm taking the front bumper off. Cause fuck it might be a 2-in-1 today, man. It might be a 2-in-1. Overheating again.
Wait till you get up this hill.
Shit, if I can.
Alright, go ahead.
Oh, I ain't up there yet. Yep. My girl salty at me, but she was alright. She was all, oh, when I was doing donuts though. Now she talking about, you know, bro, the G. But it be like that though. I ain't gonna lie. Like, I'm to a point where it's like, yeah, I'm salty. Don't get me wrong, I can sit here perk. You feel me? But it's like, bro, I broke an SRT, gang. You feel me? I done broke way worser cars. Like, when I say worser, like, I don't know what I mean by when I say worser cars, but I done broke Audis, Volkswagen, shit where, yeah! Shit where it was like, a headache to fix and super expensive. You feel me? Granted, this gonna be a cute little penny. Maybe. Hopefully not. Hopefully not. But, you know, it's just what come with it. You know what I'm saying? You know, getting a fast car and abusing that motherfucker for real. Like, you know what I'm saying? I be babying this bitch for the most part. I wanted to have fun today, man. That's just how I was feeling. So, hey, I got some headlights for this bitch. I was saving that bitch for maybe when it wasn't snowing and shit. But I'm like, shit, if I'm about to take the front end off and everything, I might as well go ahead and throw them on too. But yeah, man, hopefully this isn't nothing serious, nothing crazy to where I'm going in the hole or anything, and I don't think it will be. So I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get this bitch apart. You feel me? Nigga. Hey, my boy done pulled up on me, bro. I was sliding the Jeep and shit, bro. My fucking crankshaft fully came off, gang. I don't know how worried I should be. More than that, bro. The pulley, my crankshaft, my drive fucking pulley fucking came off, bro.
The bolt came out?
The bolt came out.
But it ain't stripped.
I don't know. I literally just got this bitch out.
It didn't strip, though.
Yeah, but nigga, what the fuck? That's not supposed to happen, gang.
You drove it back like that?
I thought this bitch was just shit. I wanted to be like, hey, yo, we broke this today, but that bitch screwed in. Hey, what's going on, YouTube?
Good.
This is.
I like that truck.
What's the name of what's the name
If
of the vlog?
GMCs
Chris
weren't
Fix.
bitches.
Who?
Chris Fix.
Chris Fix.
Chris
Make
Fix
it
here, y'all.
Chris Fix, y'all, and we broke. We broke our carburetor denominator right here. And my man P gonna put it together.
Yeah.
It's a $250,000 job,
$250,000.
and we gonna do it with $1,000.
We gonna make something work.
This that windshield wiper?
Where?
What? Windshield?
Yeah, this is windshield wiper fluid.
I thought you said it was just power steering.
I thought it was until I
Figured
looked
it out.
at it. Yeah. My power steering fluid went.
Still recording. You see, we in the snow with it. You know?
Yeah, man.
First day
Rain,
of
sleet, snow, nigga.
First day of snow and bullshit like this happens.
Nah, seriously though, like you recording? So y'all, hey, y'all can see I had to break this bitch down, man. For the one time, my nigga was saying and shit. But I broke my fucking crankshaft pulley. As you can see, I'm really worried. I don't know. I never seen this happen in my life. I'm thinking maybe somebody didn't torque it down when whoever the fuck I bought it from, maybe it was like that, or I don't know. I never seen this happen in my life. I'm a little worried. I'm not gonna throw this bitch back in though. I know that much. I'm probably gonna have to get another pulley and go ahead and get this. You know what I'm saying? Maybe get an upgraded part because maybe I'm thinking I'm pushing too much power out to where this just couldn't handle it. You know what I'm saying? So I gotta get something that's gonna handle that abuse. So yeah, man. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go. Make sure y'all stay tuned, alright? Smash that like and subscribe, man. I'm coming back with a part 2. Already got the parts ordered. Got a whole new cooling setup with silicone hoses, Mishimoto radiator, thermostat, all that one tip. And I got some new fire headlights y'all gotta see. So make sure y'all smash that like and subscribe. Hit that bell. You feel me? I'm coming back with another video, part 2 of us fixing this joint. So stay tuned, y'all. All right, man. Peace.